Hello class, I hope you guys had a good weekend. Today we're going to be doing part 2, which is the triangles. We're going to be learning how to find the area and perimeter of triangles. Okay, so make sure that you take a look at this stuff. Super important in understanding how to find the areas of a triangle. Now, let's take a look at number 2. So it says find the perimeter and area of the following triangle. Okay, so first thing we got to do is we have to figure out what this is going to be, which I already wrote 16, so let's see if I was correct. In order to find that, we know that this is a right triangle, and we have to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side. So it would be x squared plus 12 squared equals 20 squared. X squared equals x squared plus 144 equals 400. X squared equals 256. Take the square root of both sides. X indeed equals 16. Okay, so once we have that, that's important information. Now, we also need to figure out what this side is for the perimeter. So once we do that, we take 16 squared plus 30 squared equals, we'll say this is c squared. So then c squared equals 286 plus 900. C squared equals 1,186. C equals 34. So we can erase this and put 34. And now for the perimeter, what we would have to do is 16 plus 30 plus 34. P is going to equal 80 millimeters. And that would be our final answer. And then for area is going to equal 1/2 base times height, which is 30 times 16. Which then gives us 240 millimeters squared. And those would be our answers. Okay, now looking at example 3b, it says to find x. So we know that A equals 165 centimeters squared. So we also know that the formula for area of a triangle is A equals 1/2 base times height. So we need to make sure we plug that in. 165 equals 1/2 base, we see is actually going to be right here to here. So if that's 11, that's 41. 41 minus 11 is 30. Times the height, which we don't know. from there, 165 equals 15 times height. Divide both sides by 15, and you get h equals 11 centimeters. Alright, if you guys have any other questions, please email me and let me know. And hope you guys have a great week.